There is somebody out there who's more hungry than you, who's better than you, and who can replace you tomorrow.
Retain really good talented creative people just on salaries.
Not every lead can be your client. People don't realize the importance, or let's say the benefit of building with other people.
We launched Perspect thinking that we have a lot of followers, people follow us because of who we are, and we thought that on launch we'll be able to kind of sell out a lot of shit, right? We launched, we got like a single sale, right? It's like, bro, this shit is not gonna work. So he was like, bro, chill kar, right?
I would say that's like the biggest incentive of joining online communities or just staying around like-minded people.
In your mind, like, where do you see Perspect and Journey Club both by the end of the year? In 2026, for people listening to this, talk about what are other underrated ways that people can use to make a lot more money.
En route to Udaipur.
Let's go, man. Catch up time.
Yes.
It's been a while.
क्या चल रहा है? You tell me, bro. मतलब तेरा शादी के बाद में how's work life? How have you gone? Like how have you gotten back into the work mode? क्योंकि you came back a week or so ago.
A week or so, bro. I think शादी के बाद टाइम ज़्यादा मिला नहीं, अभी 2-3 महीने हुए हैं. So initially for us it has been easy because we have been dating for like 4 years. So उतना कुछ adjustment में टाइम नहीं लगा. So I went on a trip, और trip पे obviously I wanted to spend a lot of time with my wife, and then so I did not work a lot. But like for me it's not that big of a change. Obviously you need to spend a lot more time initially because it's very hard for the girl to change the entire home and kind of move. But yeah, overall it has been chill, bro, and I think it just has motivated me even more to work on more things, kind of do great things.
Bigger things,
right? Because when you're alone, like, there is this saying, right? Like, how much are you going to do for yourself? Like, if you're going to do something for yourself, there is a limit to where you can reach, right? You need greater meaning to do great things.
Right.
So yeah, overall it's been great.
Baki, one of the most interesting things I have found about like how you travel is, and ये तू मुझे I think last time भी बोला था, when you went somewhere, कि you turn your WhatsApp and Slack off and you don't like you don't work at all. तो अभी जब तू कितना around 3 weeks के लिए तू बाहर था, right? तो how did you manage everything? Of course तू थोड़ा बहुत काम करा था, but just paint the dream picture in front of everyone कि जो एजेंसी या सर्विस बिजनेस बनाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, like you get to a certain amount of cash flow, you like how comfortable you get, and then after that you scale to a level where you are like, okay, now I am very adaptable to what happens. अगर कल मुझे कहीं जाना पड़े, like tomorrow if I have to leave and I have to stay away from work for 2 weeks, I do not need any permission from anybody and I can just take the day off. How was that for you?
It's very relieving in a way where you know that you have a team जो तुम्हारे लिए सारा काम कर रही है. Because initially भाई जब तुम company build कर रहे होते हो, you are doing everything. I remember like I used to travel with my laptop always. Family function हो गए, दोस्तों से मिलने जा रहा हूँ, एक दिन के लिए उदयपुर भी जा रहा हूँ, चित्तौड़ से, तो भी as like यार भाई लैपटॉप तो लगेगा. What if something come up, right? Now obviously after so many years, the company is at a stage where we have core team members, proper departments that other people are accountable for other than me. So trip पे वही है bro, like I used to have my WhatsApp open. मेरे WhatsApp पे बस 2-3 लोग हैं मेरी कंपनी से who can text me. उसके अलावा nobody has my number. Slack I used to kind of keep it off, and my project manager, every 2-3 days would be like, Akshat, everything is going fine. You just have fun, chill around, and that's when you feel that gratitude ki yaar, you have such great people around you. And like in the last 6 months or so, I've realized, like, so I जब हम बाली में थे, since then I literally have tripled the size of the company, and I used to sit down with myself and I used to ask the question like, who do I give this credit to, right? And for the longest time before this, I used to give credit to कि ठीक है मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा काम कर लिया, मैं रात जग के काम कर रहा हूँ और client मुझे अच्छे मिल गए और I got lucky, right? But then I realized it's just about me finding great people who now take care of all the major decisions that I used to take 3 months ago. So that has been the best thing that has happened to me. I think it's just about hiring good talent, and then kind of giving that talent accountability of care. You take care of this. Don't ask me questions. That's the beauty of building a team, because a lot of people I have seen even in our circles, they would hire a lot of people, but they still would be like कि भाई मैं जैसे बोल रहा हूँ वैसे होना चाहिए. You do this, you do this, you do this. They are always micromanaging. I think there is a lot of fear around giving accountability and responsibility to people you hire. But I think that's the only way to scale as founders, right? You can't always be involved in small things and then expect your company to grow. So yeah, I'm really happy about, happy, lucky and grateful to be able to find people who take care of everything around whatever is happening in the agency.
Fair enough. And
Yeah.
how do you find these people, even though it's your company, they take care of your company like it's theirs?
Yeah. I mean, that's a great question, but like you have been hiring a lot. I would love for you to answer this.
I think तूने जो main चीज़ cover करी है ना, which is you delegate decision making. That takes number one a lot of training, because we are not running corporate businesses. We have startups. If we really see कि a person is not a good fit, we tell them कि भाई देख, we can let go of you tomorrow, and there is nothing bad about it, because it's our business. We do not have, let's say, the flexibility to give somebody 6 months ka notice and then 3 months का salary as a severance, kind of thing. तो हम नहीं कर सकते. तो the clearer you keep things, you will find out कि there are, and I have always, I think for the last 4 years or so, I have always gotten back to this one talk that Ashneer Grover did, the founder of PhonePe. He said that in any company there are two types of people. One is a missionary and then one is a mercenary.
Ashneer Grover PhonePe का भी founder है.
फोन पे का ही तो भारत पे.
भारत
हाँ या लाइक सॉरी, हाँ वही मैं खुद कंफ्यूज हो गया भाई. मैंने कहा इट डिडंट साउंड राइट, बट पॉइंट बीइंग कि ही सेड in one of his stage talks कि you have two types of people in a company, mercenaries and missionaries. You have to be fine with the idea that pretty much 90% of the people that you will have as your team members, they are all mercenaries. तू अगर आज किसी को देखता है कि they are extremely good at what they do, but no matter how hard you try as a founder to give them more accountability, give them more in return as well financially, काफ़ी लोगों में बस वो drive नहीं होता है. So you have to be fine with them being mercenaries. Like मैं एक बहुत people oriented person हूँ भाई, मेरे से नहीं firing होती है handle भाई. I cannot let go of people, but eventually even I realized कि यार there are just some times when the best people you have, even they are mercenaries. So now the thing is कि when you are okay with this idea, you are like okay, मेरे को 10 में से एक मिलेगा कोई who takes care of my business like it's theirs, and I will make sure that they are paid in full and more for it. Eventually you will find out कि यही वो लोग होते हैं जो तुम्हारी कंपनी का तुम्हारे जितना ध्यान रखते हैं. Like when you have these ongoing conversations, right? मैं अपनी creative team के साथ में बात कर रहा होता हूँ या फिर मैं अपने operations team के साथ में बात करता हूँ. There are a few people जिनकी मुझे लिंगो से लग जाता है कि यार these are people who are here to they are here to generally make this thing grow, because they know कि यार उनको जो opportunity मिली है, it's something that most people will never get. And मैं उनको बस हर किसी को ही बोलता हूँ कि भाई there is somebody out there who's more hungry than you, who's better than you, and who can replace you tomorrow. So now it's your job to make sure that you stay here and you maintain your position. So it's similar to knowing the difference between making money and keeping money. कि तुम्हें अपने main लोग यहीं रखने पड़ेंगे, everybody else is replaceable. That's how over time, and this is not something that you can realize in, let's say, a month or so. It takes about 6 months, maybe a year, to find these people जो सबसे ज़्यादा dedicated होते हैं, and then you make sure that you keep on nurturing them. तुम उनको वो सारी चीज़ें दे रहे हो जिनसे they are comfortable. Sometimes if they require more money to sort out personal stuff, you help them with it. 100%. And you don't ask for anything in return, क्योंकि भाई अगर वो बंदा या बंदी वो अपने दिन के 15 घंटे तुम्हारी कंपनी में दे रहे हैं, what more can you ask? There is another human on the other side of the screen who dedicates that much time to your business. भाई they have to be paid for that, and they have to be in a situation where they feel secure so that they can put their best effort in. And it's always a dynamic scenario. कुछ लोग let's say firing के डर से सीखते हैं, कुछ लोग ज़्यादा पैसे के aspiration से सीखते हैं, कुछ लोग उनका मोटिव अलग होता है. तो it's just the amount of conversations you have, you get to know a lot more about people, and that's how, like in my opinion, I found the people who are mission fit. And even though तेरे को पता है, like when proper fiasco happened in my company around team members, मेरे लिए वो बहुत बड़ा reality shift था कि sometimes there will be people who qualify on all of these metrics, but even they might not be the best fit, and you just have to be fine with it.
I think over time the idea, and something that I've realized hard way, is that like you cannot keep talent, you cannot retain really good talented creative people just on salaries, right, or on their base pay. So this is something that I would love to tell everybody, that if you have a company you at least should have people on the growth sales side of the company that have massive skill in the game, right? It's like you cannot expect a person who's selling for your company to just get paid in base salary and be happy and motivated, right? I think for people who are very creative and very hardworking, it's the idea of, okay, how you can remove the ceiling in terms of how they're going to get paid, right? It's like if they are bringing the growth in the company, उनको extra पैसे मिलने चाहिए to be for bringing that growth in the company, right? I think that allows them to kind of, care about the company more, and it makes them feel that, okay, I am also part of the company, and it's because of me why the company is growing, right? A lot of people just treat all their talent and team in a way that, okay, you get paid on this particular date and that's it, right? It's the idea of sharing the vision of what's going to happen that makes them feel that, okay, I am part of something bigger, because at the end of the day, that's what motivates people, right? Like after a point, money doesn't matter, right? After a point of time, like if you're paying somebody, let's say, 1 lakh or 2 lakh a month, that's sorted, that's their base layer sorted, but then they dream more, they think more, and that's where the idea of skin in the game comes into play, in my opinion, right? So I think that's very important. Now, to that, I want to ask you, so when we started our agency and freelancing business, right, we were always, for me, it has been the idea of कि यार brute force करो through cold emails, right? You send cold emails to everybody, you close the clients, and that's how I've scaled my company initially, right? For you, it has been all about the brand, right? You create a good brand, you create good content, you reach out to people look at your content and they start working.
Cold DMs,
whatever, right? And that's how you got your initial clients, right? But that philosophy has changed for us over a period of time, right? Recently, you have been talking a lot about partnerships, you have been talking a lot about affiliates, right? You have been talking about a lot of these things, right? So in 2026, for people listening to this, talk about what are other underrated ways than content and cold outreach that people can use to make a lot more money.
भाई तूने मेरा क्वेश्चन छीन लिया, बताया legit the question I had कि how has the playbook changed? So I made a reel around growing an agency has changed in 2026, and that's just my thoughts, right? These methods existed way before, and I would say कि एक टाइम पे हमने रियलाइज नहीं करी थी इनकी पावर कितनी है. आई थिंक आई सेंट यू दैट वन वीडियो ऑफ मैथ्यू लार्सन जिसमें वो अपने एजेंसी इनकम के सारे सोर्सेज बता रहा होता, राइट? द डूड वाज मेकिंग, आई थिंक अकॉर्डिंग टू हिज यूट्यूब वीडियो, 150K a month through software affiliates, right? With the amount of clients that he had. In that, he had referral partnerships, he had affiliates, he had a lot more other sources of clients, right? तो एक चीज़ मैंने ये देखी कि as I started taking a lot more discovery calls from my agency, काफ़ी सारी लीड्स ऐसी होती है जिनको probably हमारी सर्विस फिट नहीं होगी, एंड यू हैव टू बी ओके विद द वन फैक्ट कि नॉट एवरी लीड कैन बी योर क्लाइंट, है ना? काफ़ी लीड्स आती हैं फॉर अ म्यूचुअल बेनिफिट. देर आर डिफरेंट, हाउ डू आई से दिस, लाइक देर आर डिफरेंट अप्रोचेस टू ग्रोइंग एन एजेंसी. पीपल मेक millions by doing services which are 2K a month, and people make millions by doing services which are 50K a month as well, and पैसा दोनों कमाते हैं, ठीक है? इट्स जस्ट द स्ट्रक्चर दैट हैज़ चेंज. तो हम लोग काफ़ी बार ये बात कर रहे होते थे कि यार इफ़ वी वांट टू ग्रो आवर एजेंसी, डू वी गो फॉर प्रोजेक्ट्स वेयर वी आर गेटिंग लेट्स से पेड 40K रिटेनर्स, राइट? वी कैन वी कैन क्रिएट दोज ऑफर्स जहाँ पे हमें इतना पैसा मिल रहा है, बट इट्स जस्ट सो मच एफर्ट पर डील कि मेरे को लग रहा था कि यार इट्स नॉट वर्थ इट. सो व्हाट आई स्टार्टेड डूइंग प्रीटी मच अराउंड द लास्ट क्वार्टर ऑफ लास्ट ईयर वाज, मैं मेरी बहुत सारी कॉल्स को डिस्क्वालीफाई कर देता हूँ क्लाइंट्स की, पर मुझे जो ज़्यादा मीटिंग्स मिल रही थी, आई इवेंचुअली स्टार्टेड टॉकिंग टू देम अबाउट रेफरल पार्टनरशिप्स, एंड देन व्हाट हैपेंड वाज आई बिल्ड 2 रेफरल पार्टनरशिप्स विद 2 of the biggest names in the space, and I pay them 20% month on month.
Yeah, give us some numbers and throw some names.
I can't throw those names abhi ke liye, but the one thing is कि if you're in the internet marketing space, you either have watched the podcast or you have watched the creator himself.
Media trained, bro is media trained.
मैं नहीं लीक कर सकता भाई. I want to protect some of those relationships, and it's like मैं बात करूँगा उनके बारे में, but probably
now it's not the right time.
Now it's not the right time. Like हम दोनों के पास वैसे क्लाइंट्स हैं जिनके बारे में हम बात अभी करेंगे तो फटेगा सब कुछ, पर वी डोंट. बट एनीवेज, तो मैंने ये करना चालू किया. नाउ द स्ट्रक्चर विद देम इज की देर कनेक्ट मी टू पीपल, इफ आई क्लोज देम आई पे देम 20% मंथ ऑन मंथ, है ना? अब मेरे लिए क्या हुआ कि आई वुड से अराउंड 20-30% ऑफ माई क्लाइंट एक्विजिशन हैज बिकम ऑटोमेटेड विद दिस. अब फॉर एग्जाम्पल, बिकॉज वी हैव सच अ मैसिव पोर्टफोलियो ऑफ वर्क बैकिंग अस, it's easy, I would say it's easy for us to get those deals. बस simple भी नहीं बोलूँगा, it's just easy. क्योंकि हमारी value है and it's apparent, right? You just prove your value once to these people and they connect you to as many people as you want. Now, for anybody who is watching, this is something that I've introduced in the Journey Club community already, कि there are people who already have clients, and then there are people who are looking for clients. Not every service is a one-off, right? आज अगर तू तेरी सर्विस बेच रहा है, if you find a performance marketer, let's say तू किसी SaaS कंपनी के साथ में काम कर रहा है, you create content for them, you build their brand, now you want to help them with ad creatives. तू किसी performance marketing agency के साथ में tie up करेगा, you will become the ad creative partner, and then they'll, let's say, handle the promotion side of it, वो campaign संभालेंगे. For them now you are a white label partner or you are a referral partner as well. अब तू क्या करेगा, तू उनको बोलेगा कि यार let's say if your retainer is 3K, I'll charge this client 5K, I'll take my 2K, you take your 3K, है ना? This is something that not enough people are doing, क्योंकि हर किसी को अकेले बनानी है अपनी चीज़ें. People don't realize the importance or let's say the benefit of building with other people. So one of the things that you should be doing is you should have such a massive network of friends online, जहाँ पे हर कोई तुम्हें leads के साथ में connect कर रहा है. You either get paid in commission or you get paid in favors. जैसे मैं काफ़ी बार क्या करता हूँ कि if I connect clients to my friends, मैं उनसे कभी पैसा नहीं मांगता, राइट? मेरे लिए क्या होगा भाई, मैं 1 लाख रुपए का क्या करूँगा और एक्स्ट्रा का. हाँ, तो मैं आई एम बिल्डिंग मोर ट्रस्ट विद दैट वन पर्सन, एंड वो बंदा मेरे को ऐसे से कनेक्ट करेगा जहाँ पे यू नो आई कैन गेट मोर क्लाइंट्स. आई गिव यू एग्जांपल, राइट? मैं नेम ड्रॉप भी कर सकता हूँ उसमें. राइट, तो रिकॉर्डिंग वापस स्टार्ट करनी पड़ी बिकॉज DJI ओवर हीट हो गया था
कार में, और अब हम आ चुके हैं वापस.
Yes, we are officially in Udaipur now. It's been a while since I came here. अक्षत regularly आता है. DJI से राजस्थान की गर्मी सही नहीं गई.
फ्लिप हो गया भाई डीजे.
हाँ.
So now Saksham will.
हाँ, so I'll continue. Mox connected me with a dude from US. He works in venture capital, and then they have a bunch of companies that they work with. So I ended up working with this voice calling company. We only were doing like I think 6 to 8 videos a month for them. Pretty profitable project for me too, and it was not about let's say उसने मुझे referral दिया इसलिए वो हुआ. It was just the connection. Now what has happened is I built a portfolio in ad creatives. So now if a company comes to me and they are like कि you know हम AI business चलाते हैं and we need ad creatives as well, I have something to show them. And specifically another old client of mine, he was selling a service to an AI voice calling company only, and he pitched us as the content partners. So that's a around 9K का retainer, right, for them. तो अब क्या हुआ कि through that one connection, I built this, let's say, it just became a snowball effect. This is what happens when you have connections, right? तुम्हें हर चीज़ transaction में नहीं चाहिए. You always need to be the biggest net positive for the people around you. And for people who are watching, if that, I would say that's like the biggest incentive of joining online communities or just staying around like-minded people, क्योंकि there will be somebody जिसके साथ में तुम collab करके उनकी सर्विस का एडिशनल पार्ट बन के सेल कर सकते हो, राइट? यू डू नॉट जस्ट हैव टू लेट्स से लुक फॉर क्लाइंट्स जिनको तुम खुद क्लोज करोगे एंड दे विल बिकम लेट्स से सुपर हाई टिकट फॉर यू. यू ऑलवेज हैव फ्रेंड्स दैट यू कैन डू इट विद. लेट्स से अगर मैं इसके साथ में भी कर सकता हूँ, लाइक वी बोथ आर कंपेटिटर्स ऑन पेपर. दैट्स द मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल थिंग आई टेल एवरीबॉडी कि मेरा को फाउंडर एजेंसी बिजनेस में मेरा कंपेटिटर है, पर वी डोंट केयर भाई, वी डोंट केयर. इसका एक एक्स क्लाइंट मेरे पास में आया था, मेरा एक एक्स क्लाइंट इसका क्लाइंट है अभी, राइट? It's all fine भाई, चलता है.
Fine and games, yeah. And people kind of always look at a glass half empty. So we are consistently seeking each other help in terms of what we should do, right? So like Saksham started his own IP, and because of that things worked really well for him. And then I was talking to him and he's like, bro, you should do. So that's where the inspiration came for me as well, because for the longest time I was just doing cold outreach, right? So that was the reason why my company grew. So that it's the idea of competition.
अब इसके पहले the IP that he is talking about, I would have not built it अगर ये मेरे को नहीं बोलता तो.
Yeah. So it's just always kind of we helping each other, and that's just beautiful. And then it allows you to do a lot more things because you see that compatibility and you know that okay, the person is always there to kind of
Bali was the inflection point.
Bali was the inflection
last year.
Yeah. And like another example जो अभी अपन बैठ के बात कर रहे थे, right? So when we launched Perspect, I was so deep into the execution of it and kind of doing everything. When we launched the brand, because obviously our audience does not match the ICP that we were going for.
Let's talk about this.
Yeah. So yeah, I think let's go deep into that, right? So we launched Perspect thinking that we have a lot of followers, people follow us because of who we are. And we thought that on launch we'll be able to kind of sell out a lot of shit, right? So I have this entire perception जो सारे e-commerce में लोग बना रहे होते हैं, right? कि you launch and sales आएगी and then Shopify app would go mad. We launched, we got like a single sale, right? That too after 2-3 hours, right? And we both were on the call just after the launch, and I was literally disheartened, if I'm being very honest, right? I was like, bro, this shit is not gonna work because you have some expectations and वो meet नहीं होती तो तुम्हें लगता है कि भाई ये तो सब fuck up हो गया, right? So I get on a call में सक्षम को बता रहा हूँ कि bro, something's wrong, मुझे नहीं समझ में आ रहा है क्या, like what went wrong, right? And so that's when he was like कि bro, chill कर, right? He was like, his exact words were dhairya, right? You need to just keep calm and trust the process and kind of build towards it. Slowly everything would happen.
Yes.
And so now as we sit here, like we are consistently getting 3, 4, 5 orders a day. And so now everything comes into perspective. It's like if he would have not told me at launch कि bro सब सही हो जाएगा, I would have just lost it. और इसको मेरी आवाज़ में सुनाई दे रहा था कि भाई ये बंदे
भाई 5:30-6 बजे थी, है ना? एंड आई एग्जैक्टली रिमेंबर 5:30-6 बजे थी. मैंने मेरे बालकनी का मैंने पर्दे हटाए, मैंने मेरा स्टोरी सीक्वेंस किया एंड भाई 5-6 बज गई, सेल्स नहीं आ रही. एंड वी हैड दिस कंप्लीट लाइक ड्रीम इन माइंड कि भाई ये सब हो जाएगा. बट सी वी बिलीव्ड इन द प्रोसेस एंड इट्स नॉट लाइक कि लेट्स से मी सेइंग दैट उसके नेक्स्ट डे से चेंजेस हो गए. इट टुक अस अबाउट व्हाट आई थिंक क्लोज टू 2 months टू मेक दैट चेंज, जहाँ पे आई बिलीव्ड कि इसका जो पार्ट है ही विल जस्ट एग्जीक्यूट दैट एंड एज लॉन्ग एज ही इज जस्ट डूइंग व्हाट ही इज सपोज टू, रिजल्ट्स आ जाएंगे, राइट? सो I think we should also talk about, and we'll go deep into perspective as well. I think one of the most interesting dynamic that he brought to me was इसने मुझे डॉक्यूमेंट भेजा जहाँ पे he exactly wrote कि हम 2 कंपनीज में co-founder है, राइट? इसने मुझे बोला कि सक्षम 50-50 से नहीं बनेगा. We can't be 50-50 in terms of execution in both companies. We have to take ownership of one each. तो अब जैसे he is the co-founder and CEO of Perspect. एंड इसने बोला कि आई टेक केयर ऑफ 80-90% ऑफ एग्जीक्यूशन, मुझे तेरे से जो भी चाहिए होगा आई जस्ट लेट यू नो, तू बस वो कर देना. एंड द सेम थिंग अराउंड फॉर जर्नी क्लब. तो अब इसको एक कंपनी की चिंता ही नहीं है, राइट? क्योंकि दूसरा संभाल रहा है. एंड अगेन लाइक आई एम नॉट द परफेक्ट गाय कि मैं अगले नेक्स्ट डे ही जर्नी क्लब को क्रेजी कर दिया. इट टेक्स टाइम. तो अब व्हेन वी हैव दीज कॉन्वर्जेशंस ही गिव्स मी इनपुट्स अराउंड व्हाट ही इज थिंकिंग एंड फिर मैं एग्जीक्यूट करूँगा उसको. वी टॉक एंड देन मैं उसको थोड़े बहुत सजेशंस दे सकता हूँ पर्सपेक्ट के जो ये एग्जीक्यूट करेगा.
And I think that's the beauty, right? Like when I was kind of deep into the execution of Perspect, kind of sorting out the content and everything, for the 2 to 3 months I had no idea about what's going in the Journey Club, right? And Saksham set up the entire team, the core team around the Journey Club, made sure the content systems are there and we are consistently posting, right? And it's going well. I had no idea what's going in the Journey Club. We started getting so many memberships from our Journey Club Instagram page, right?
It's at 10K followers soon.
Yeah. And so that's the beauty, that when you do things together, you're able to do more things and you're essentially able to grow in multiple directions rather than just kind of doing one thing and doing it all alone, right? So
बट भाई तू अगर एजेंसी में इतना खतरनाक पैसा कमा रहा है, नई कंपनी क्यों स्टार्ट करेगा?
exactly, yeah. So
क्यों करेगा? Like that's the question that a lot of
people ask us that, okay, if your agencies are going so well, why the fuck would you start 2 new companies, right?
Let's just clear out the air in terms of the agency. Are the agencies going bad? बता.
Not at all. मैं अभी 3 हफ्तों की ट्रिप करके आया हूँ जो हमने ऑलरेडी डिस्कस कर लिया, एंड आई हैड नो लुक एट द एजेंसी एंड इट्स ऑल गोइंग ग्रेट, राइट? इट फंडेड माई एंटायर ट्रिप विद माई वाइफ एंड हनीमून और व्हाटएवर, राइट? व्हाटएवर यू वांट टू कॉल इट. सो द आइडिया ऑलवेज हैज बीन अबाउट taking on new challenges, right? Because in the world we live in, artificial intelligence, internet going crazy, it's like if you just keep doing one stable thing and you get satisfied, I think at least we both don't have those genes. I can speak for him as well. The idea always has been about, okay, what's something new, what's new, right? For जर्नी क्लब हमने स्टार्ट किया था, हमें कोई आइडिया नहीं था कम्युनिटीज़ क्या होती है. जब हमने पर्सपेक्ट स्टार्ट किया, हमें कोई आइडिया नहीं D2C कैसे ग्रो होता है, राइट? बट वी आर स्लोली एंड ग्रेजुअली बिल्डिंग टुवर्ड्स इट एंड इट्स फन. You wake up every day, you have something new to do, right? You have something extra to look up to. So it's just the idea of taking on new challenge.
Agency में we have a predictable amount of growth, right? हमें at this point in our agencies we do not have to worry about getting clients, right? हमें referral से, inbound से, अगर outbound setup कर रखा है, through that we know that even if we let's say have 1 client churned every month or 2 clients churned every month, we will still end up with a net positive क्योंकि हमारे पास नए clients का inflow इतना ज़्यादा बन चुका है, and that gives us security. And now we can genuinely build and get to the core essence of a cash flow business, which is it should not be dependent on your time involvement, right? Your time involvement should not scale the company as well. Sure, of course, you are always the highest impact team member, but तुम्हारा भाई मैंने ना एक ट्वीट अभी देखा था and it was some like big entrepreneur talking about that the biggest asset of a startup is the founder's mind,
That's so true. Yeah.
है ना? As long as the founder's mind is, let's say, controlled or performing at its peak, then the startup as a whole will grow.
Yeah.
ठीक है? क्योंकि end of the day it's our intuition, resulting in what happens output wise. तो जब तक हमारा माइंड स्टेबल रहेगा we'll do it. And हम लोग जिस तरीके के हैं, हमसे नहीं होती भाई एक चीज़. And another thing, I think this should also clear out some air as well, right? हमने अभी तक हमारा ब्रांड किस चीज़ पे बनाया कि ओके वी वर स्ट्रगलिंग इंजीनियरिंग स्टूडेंट्स एंड ग्रेजुएट्स. हमने फ्रीलांसिंग वगैरह ढूंढी अराउंड द सेम टाइमलाइन. आई थिंक तूने मेरे से पहले स्टार्ट कर दी थी. आई स्टार्टेड अ बिट लेटर ऑन, बट अराउंड द सेम टाइमलाइन ओनली वी स्टार्ट क्रिएटिंग कंटेंट अराउंड द सेम टाइमलाइन. एंड हमने इवेंचुअली हमारा ब्रांड उसके अराउंड बना लिया कि ओके वी वेंट फ्रॉम दैट टू बीइंग फ्रीलांसर्स टू देन बीइंग एजेंसी ओनर्स टू बीइंग, आई वुड से दैट we are pretty well known in the agency space.
So that's our core community, and so we expected they would buy, but that's not how the world works, right? Like you always need to figure out a product market fit, and so now we have established that, right? Not through our communities, but through other GTMs, other sources of putting our product in front of other people. Now we've realized there is a product market fit because we are getting consistent 4 to 5 sales for Perspect.
भाई इसमें ना I think we should also clear out some air around our brands.
I'll ask a question, right? So for the longest time we have grown our brands very rapidly, right? In the space of freelancing agency जो सक्षम बोल रहा है, right? For the last 6-7 months our brands have not grown, and a lot of people ask this question to me like, what's happening with your brand? Why you're not posting content? What's happening? People don't realize when you are doing multiple things how hard it gets to authentically, naturally put content on the internet, right? It's like if we are doing two things, okay, what do we talk about? Talking about what would give us the highest leverage. So now our entire positioning have to shift around. Okay, now I am the co-founder and CEO of, let's say, Perspect, or Saksham also has to talk about Perspect and the Journey Club. I also talk about the Journey Club, right? So now it's not just the idea of service business or freelancing. A lot of other things revolve around it, and so we need to stop, optimize, iterate, and then figure out our formats.
इसका मेन चीज़ वो है ना भाई, like for the first year and a half, close to 2 years, our whole life was the brand only भाई. मतलब till date, अगर मैं तेरे को आज बोलूँ तेरी कितनी स्क्रिप्ट तूने किसी और से लिखवाई है, राइट?
Literally zero.
हाँ, सेम फॉर मी. आई हैव नेवर हैड, मे बी आई थिंक आई गेव वन स्क्रिप्ट राइटर अ गो एंड मैंने एक स्क्रिप्ट लिखवाई थी, बट अपार्ट फ्रॉम इट आई हैव नेवर हैड आउटसोर्स हेल्प इन टर्म्स ऑफ माई ब्रांड. तो हमने जो भी हमारी ब्रांड पे किया है, इट वॉज जस्ट अस. एंड होंगे क्रिटिक्स बाई पीपल विल बी एबल टू फाइंड गैप्स इन आवर ब्रांड्स, एंड दैट्स फाइन. लाइक वी नो दैट हम परफेक्ट नहीं है. हमारी पहले लाइफ पूरी होती थी, हम उठते थे एंड वी यूज्ड टू थिंक अबाउट कि ओके आज तक जो कंटेंट डाला है, मार्केट में क्या चल रहा है, हमें अगली वीडियो क्या बनानी है, अगली वीडियो का हुक क्या रखना है, एक्सेट्रा. एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट एफर्ट वी वर एबल टू कंसिस्टेंटली ग्रो आवर ब्रांड्स. बट देन एज द एजेंसी ग्रू, एज द अपॉर्चुनिटीज ग्रू, हमारे पास में वो एफर्ट नहीं है, राइट? एंड आई थिंक वी रीच्ड अ सैचुरेशन पॉइंट इन टर्म्स ऑफ व्हाट वी कैन टॉक अबाउट इन टर्म्स ऑफ द एजेंसी ओवरऑल. हम भाई बोर हो जाते हैं. इट्स बीन व्हाट भाई 3 साल से सेम ही चीज़ की बात कर रहे हैं. इट्स द सेम थिंग बट विथ न्यू एक्सपीरियंसेस ओवर एंड ओवर अगेन, एंड उसके ऊपर नहीं कर सकते ज़्यादा.
Nuances, like it's not about the numbers. If we would have to just focus on growing the brand, increasing the numbers, we can still do it, right? We can just give, here are 3 books you should read, or here are 4 playlists.
How to get clients.
So, and here is how much money I'm making today. But that would allow us to, that would attract people who would not become right ICP for Perspect and the Journey Club, right? So which is, and that's why we need to iterate, and we've been thinking about this so long. But now I think eventually we have some sort of clarity, so things should...
and till this, I think now we are at a point where we are like, okay, like how we close clients and we become their creative team, now we are into this stage where मैं personally, I'm figuring out a solution where we have creative teams of our own brand, right? क्योंकि जो हम पहले उतना टाइम डालते थे हमारे पास से नहीं है, बट वी स्टिल वांट दैट आउटकम. एंड इट्स नॉट लाइक कि हम उसको लेकर वी आर टेकिंग इट फॉर ग्रांटेड, हम उस चीज़ पर उतना एफर्ट नहीं डाल सकते. नाउ द आउटलेट इज़ डिफरेंट. नाउ द क्रिएटिव आउटलेट विल बी थ्रू अ टीम. कोई भी, मतलब बहुत रेयर होता है कि ब्रांड्स कोई अकेला बहुत हाई लेवल पे स्केल कर देता है. ऑफ कोर्स देयर आर पीपल, बट फिर उनका पूरा बिजनेस एंड उनका लाइफस्टाइल ही उनका ब्रांड होता है. तो दे डोंट हैव एनीथिंग एल्स टू टॉक अबाउट. हमारे पास में वो नहीं है. सो नाउ आई एम सॉल्विंग फॉर द प्रॉब्लम कि यार हमें टीम ऐसी चाहिए जो हमारी ब्रांड्स अब वो संभाल पाए, एंड वी डोंट, राइट? वी आर ऑफ कोर्स द फेस ऑफ इट, वी विल बी द क्रिएटिव ब्रेन बिहाइंड इट, बट there are people who take accountability for the execution, and I think that's something that unless you are a creator you would not understand it.
Yeah, it's like attracting wrong ICP is worse than not growing the brand. Because then those people are not going to add any value to what you're trying to build and the dreams and the aspirations that you have, right? So to the point of aspirations and dreams, let's daydream and with people, right? So like where do you see like in your mind, like where do you see Perspect and Journey Club both by the end of the year? Give me some thoughts.
I genuinely see Perspect being in the 7 figures.
In 7 figures. Like describe the image, like talk about, you know, like what are you seeing in terms of collaborations, what are you seeing in terms of, hey, like are we opening a store at the end of the year, are we raising the funds, like
Yeah, so
what are you thinking?
we always think about different outcomes. If you want to bootstrap it, हमको time लगेगा, but if you want to speed run it, we'll raise funds, ठीक है? So we'll definitely raise funds. That's like a new thing for us. ये बता रहा था कि pre-seed वगैरह का इसको पता नहीं था क्या होता है.
मैं बैठ के जब रिसर्च कर रहा होता था कि फंडिंग अगर रेस करनी होगी तो मेरे को एंजल और प्री सीड में डिफरेंस नहीं पता था, राइट? एंड लाइक माय फॉलोअर्स वुड थिंक यार
जानता होगा
को तो सब पता ही होगा, राइट?
नहीं पता था भाई.
आई डिडंट नो शिट, राइट?
तो how I'm thinking about it as well कि we have a cultural impact. Number one, because the segment that we are targeting, nobody has been able to break into that segment. There is higher purchasing power in India now, है ना? And we want to cater to that market only. We want to have stores. We want to have experience stores, right? And we want to have genuine online cult. Or I would say, I would much rather have a cult for the brand, right? I think the moment you, like, of course personal brands पे cult जल्दी बन सकते हैं, but the moment you build a cult for a company,
That's insane, then.
भाई, then you have built something that not many people in the world are able to. तो इस साल का सारा गोल, like इस साल का हमेशा गोल बस ये रहेगा. We have great GTMs. We launch, I think, 2 or 3 collections ideally. Yeah, like 2 more collections, and then alongside that we figure out an investor. Like we have some investors in mind, but we see how far we can get into the.
If you're an investor and you think you want to make some money, reach out to us.
A lot of it. You reach out to us.
In my mind, Perspect is going to be one of the biggest eyewear brand in the country, that's for sure. And I have no doubt about it. I am so sure about it in my mind. और मैं अभी ये बोल रहा हूँ, एक महीने बाद जब मैं रैंडमली मेरे रूम में बैठा हूँ, हो सकता है मैं सोच रहा हूँ कि भाई fuck, this is not gonna work. फिर मैं सक्षम को कॉल करूँगा.
That's every week, भाई. हर वीक एक ऐसा 2 AM थॉट आता है ना, where we start, like where we have a existential crisis कि यार कुछ काम करेगा या नहीं, but end of the day we gain that belief in ourselves again.
Stick to the game, right? Like you just keep playing it.
The thing is कि we have received such great feedback from sophisticated people for the product, where we are like, okay, we are on to something good यहाँ पे. Especially, भाई, I'll tell you one thing. When we launched Perspect, this particular frame, right? Edge, I'm wearing Edge. He's wearing a sample of Edge only. We thought that, हमने जब इस frame को पहली बार देखा था, we were like, this is going to be our best seller. When we started, this was not. When we started, Focus was the main seller in the male frames, and then Core was the main best seller in the female frames. As we figured out the other working GTM abhi wala, this thing started gaining traction again, and we will probably sell out in
like a week.
Yeah, we'll sell out in a week.
It's gonna be gone. Yeah. By the time this video released, this is already gone.
Yeah, and भाई हमने फिर और research किया, and of course हमने starting में भी research किया था. This particular shape does not exist.
You can't find this in the country. I can guarantee you that, because
You cannot find this quality.
the quality, the color, and even if you're able to find something similar, you will not be able to find the lens tint. And if you're able to find the lens, the color of the lens tint, you will not be able to find the exact intensity of the lens tint, right? So it's curated.
And भाई, I'm telling you, it's a different feeling. Like हम agencies का हमारा service sell करते हैं, सबसे ज़्यादा dopamine hit कब आता है agency service में अपना, जब अपने client पे content upload होता है, right? He has mad clients, I have mad clients, and हम जब बात करते हैं ना, भाई ये हमारा वीडियो है, भाई दिमाग खराब हो जाता है कि यार this is us. And then अब उसके साथ में when we see us holding our product,
That's like insane feeling.
right? We made this.
We made it. That's like the best feeling in the world.
We made this shit, bhai.
Yeah. And then people buying it and then kind of, you know, experiencing it and kind of making it a, you know, accessory in their day-to-day life. Like, that's crazy to think about.
We have friends who can't go without it. Can't go without these.
And shout out to all of those people who have been supporting this, you know.
Bhai, I genuinely love the friends that we have made. Bhai, the support that we have gotten from the people where we needed support, without asking for anything in return.
Again, that's the beauty of community, right? It's people around you. It's all about that, right? It's like if these people who we initially sent our frames to, if they would have not supported us or given us good feedback, we would be disheartened. Right?
भाई we send them a text, they are like yes, तुम्हें क्या चाहिए भाई बताओ मुझे, like what can I do. भाई मैं बता रहा हूँ तेरे को, we can get a photo shoot with them tomorrow and they won't ask for anything in return.
Nothing, right? And that's the beauty, right? It's not always have to be transactional. So yeah, I mean, like, and that ties everything back to the Journey Club, right? Like, that's something that I am still so passionate about, bringing people together, doing more. So this year our goal, let's talk about Journey Club. Like, what are our goals for that, right?
We have multiple retreats. We want to do the next retreat in the next like month or so.
Yeah.
I don't know when this goes out, but we want to do the retreat. Aaj it's 12th April, and number one is retreat. We want to have in-person dinners probably every month.
Yeah.
We have some IPs.
We
that,
have an
we have an
offline IP
IP
that
that
we
we
are
shot yesterday. We want to do that,
gonna come out
but with our community, of course. We will increase our interaction a lot. And again, like, I'll take public accountability for it. We planned a lot of in-person interaction with our community in the early months, like the first quarter of this year. We could not. Again, भाई की शादी हुई है. I cannot ask him कि भाई तेरा honeymoon ditch करके लोगों से मिलने आजा, right? That's a इसका core memory है वो, right? That trip. So I could not ask him to ditch that. So we will make up for the interaction that we didn't have with our community. We'll launch in-person IPs. We will make sure that we give all of you guys a way of or a type of community interaction that you have probably not seen that much. And उसके साथ में we'll ideally try to do our first international retreat this year. Ideally try का भी नहीं है भाई. We will make the first international trip happen inside the Journey Club. We will make the community itself a lot bigger. And we have realized that हमने बहुत wide horizon of value दिया था. The biggest need,
Let's talk about that.
the biggest need of the hour for the Journey Club, it's helping people make money. हम personal brand की बातें कर देंगे. There are people inside the community who are very passionate creators and they are amazing at what they do. But सबसे ज़्यादा dopamine hit भाई जब मिलता है when what we tell somebody, it ends up being money in their bank account.
Yeah, exactly.
Like we have such great people in the community. We have everybody, right? जिन्होंने कुछ भी start नहीं किया है. And then there are people who are killers भाई, मतलब हम उनको बताते हैं कि यार तुम ये चीज़ करनी चाहिए. A week later in the Q&A they are like हमने करी and this was the outcome.
Exactly, man. And so now just to kind of tie everything back together on the Journey Club side, so our focus is laser to a point where now we just want to help anybody and everybody in the country who want to build online service businesses, right? Like if you want to build a career with a service business, if you're trying to scale your service business and you're not inside the Journey Club, you're losing out on a lot of value. I can guarantee you that, right? So initially we thought कि अगर हम value proposition को broad रखेंगे, content में help करेंगे, service में help करेंगे, freelancing में help करेंगे और lifestyle में help करेंगे, तो it would attract a lot more people and we'd be able to give more value. But that's not how the world works, right? That's not how internet works. And so now it's just going to be about service business. We are going to be talking about AI, we are going to be talking about personal brand, but it all is going to help people make money through service business.
And we are going to ditch, not just ditch, we are going to bring new ways of growing a service business. Because I can tell you one thing, the way that our service business works right now, in terms of client acquisition and everything, hi, you guys have no idea, right? And we will bring that value to you. And we have started that with, telling people about referral partnerships. People inside the community have already, started forming groups. जहाँ पे 5-6 लोगों का ग्रुप है, they all introduce the services to each other, and वहाँ पे वो potential partnerships discuss करते हैं, right? तो हमें हमारा main focus is to just work with the service business industry people. That's it. हम सिर्फ उसी में काम करेंगे, and that's the core idea behind the Journey Club. I think we can end off with a couple more things. First thing, like हमने जो brand के बारे में clarity दिया, how do you see a change in your brand? Or let's just tell people about the subtle shift that we have made with our brand already. So when we were talking about the idea of introducing new perspectives to our brand itself, हमने हमारा brand का जो पूरा foundation था, like I've said before, हमने पूरा foundation service business and freelancers, personal branding के around बनाया. But that's not us anymore that much. I want to always be an advocate for the idea कि तुमने जो आज तक किया है, that defines you, but that should not define your future identity to a point where you cannot explore. हमने
ये clip बनेगा,
है ना, हम वही clip बनेगा भाई. हमने आज तक जो भी चीज़ें ये वाली की है, like he said, we can rinse and repeat that format, right? आज अगर तू तेरी फ्रीलांस वाली सीरीज़ करेगा, मैं मेरी फ्रीलांसिंग वाली सीरीज़ करूँगा, वील ग्रो एंड वील ग्रो अगेन, बट वो हमारा कोर ऑडियंस नहीं है. Our pathway from 0 to 200k something followers, 170k something followers, that was service business, but that's not the only thing that we do anymore. हमारे businesses में नए challenges and then काफ़ी सारे नए topics आ चुके हैं that we want to educate people about. So moving forward, 99% of the content that you will see from us around service business or personal branding, content creation, making money online in the internet space, it will be on the Journey Club exclusively. हम वो वैल्यू नहीं हटाएंगे वहाँ से, बट विल जस्ट नॉट बी ऑन आवर पर्सनल ब्रांड्स ओनली. दैट विल बी ओनली फॉर द जर्नी क्लब एंड वी विल मेक श्योर दैट जर्नी क्लब इन इटसेल्फ बिकम्स अ मेन हब फॉर द एजुकेशन अराउंड सर्विस बिजनेसेस एंड आवर ब्रांड्स दैट विल बी अ न्यू आउटलेट फॉर लाइफस्टाइल कंटेंट.
Lifestyle content, talking about new brands we are building, educating ourselves and then sharing the journey around that. I think that's a much more authentic way of doing it, because if I am not, let's say, so much involved anymore in building a service business and my team is doing it, I probably do not have so many things to share. I have already shared whatever I have known, right? And whenever we get the ideas around that, that's going to be on the Journey Club page, and our brands are going to be about what we are building in the now, right? So I think that's pretty much the idea about the separation between the Journey Club content and our personal brands content. Yeah,
exactly. And the next thing being ki, again, in-person interactions, you will see us recording these videos not virtually, right? In person. मैं अजमेर था, ये चित्तौड़ था. He was like कि भाई वीकेंड पे आ जा, we are in उदयपुर. 4 दिन पहले मैसेज आया था तेरा, and I am here.
See, a great thing about Saksham is, मैंने इसको भी नहीं बोला है, is he does not say no, right? You tell him anything, bro, Hong Kong चलना है, भाई चल. So back story, right? When we went to Hong Kong, हमने टिकट सब करा लिए थे, वीज़ा was sorted out, right? We had to go. There was this one big conference क्या बोलेंगे, exhibition था. तो he had major injury in his knee, right? And this guy is so crazy. He's like कि bro, and I was like कि bro trip cancel कर देते हैं, right? We won't be able to go. He's like कि bro, मैं व्हील चेयर पे चलूँगा, तू व्हील चेयर पे लेके चलूँगा, मैं चलूँगा, right? That tells you something about the person, right? That tells you that the person does not back off. That tells you that person would do whatever is required regardless of the circumstances, right? And that's a trait that you just cannot train yourself to that trait, right? It just comes, and I think we are lucky enough to.
I think you find that out about yourself. जैसे अब अक्षत is a person, he has traveled a lot more than me. मैं ऐसी अपब्रिंगिंग से आता हूँ जहाँ पे I did not get the privilege to travel that much. मेरे को जो ट्रैवल का प्रिविलेज मिला है, दैट स्टार्ट विद आवर बाली ट्रिप, राइट? एंड देन वंस आई सॉ कि यार भाई साहब मैं बाली से आया, सिंस देन लाइक ही हैज़ ग्रोन हिज बिजनेस, माई बिजनेस हैज़ क्वाड्रिपल्ड, राइट? इट हैज़ ऑलमोस्ट 5x सिंस देन. भाई एक साल में 5x का कंपनी किसका ग्रो होता है वेंचो दिस टाइम में? द थिंग इज़ कि अगर मैं एक बार घूम के इतना कर सकता हूँ, देन आई वेंट टू जापान विद रितेश एंड आई एम लाइक कि यार भाई मैं 3 हफ्ता अगर काम नहीं कर रहा हूँ अच्छे से, and I'm still able to grow the business. And you will see bhai ki the moment you travel with a friend, especially the people who are in the similar industries as you, or at least जो तुम्हारे टाइप का थिंकिंग रखते हैं, तुम ट्रिप पे काम नहीं करोगे, बट तुम ट्रिप से जैसे ही आओगे ना, the tremendous momentum that you have the moment you come back, भाई it's nuts. तो I was like कि यार भाई I'm not gonna say no to any trip. That's why जब मैं मुंबई था अभी, भाई I didn't know कि मैं बाली जाने वाला हूँ मार्च में. मैं मुंबई गया मंथ एंड में, उज्जवल से मैं पहली बार मिला. I met quite a few guys the first time, and उज्जवल was like कि यार सक्षम बाली चलते हैं. I'm like done. I'm in 2 weeks later. Then उज्जवल is like कि भाई next trip करते हैं. I'm probably going there next month.
And see, I feel that has very obviously it has to do about the money you have in your bank account, but it also has to do with the type of person you are, right? Like how proactive you are to kind of say yes to new opportunities, meeting new people, and figuring shit out. So I think that's a trait that I feel everybody should have, right? Like when you are just in that growth phase, you should say yes to a lot.
Be excited about opportunities, bhai. I'm telling you. मैं तो इसको बोल रहा था कि भाई we probably have shiny object syndrome again, but who knows the next hit comes out of all of this. I think I just want to end the thing from here. हमारा कभी end game service business था ही नहीं. Service business was the gateway into what we want to build. I still don't know what I want to do 10 years down the line. I don't know तेरे साथ में क्या सीन है. Do you know?
For the next 5 to 6 years, I know I just want to make Perspect the biggest brand in the world.
हमको नहीं पता है कि हमें क्या करना है लॉन्ग टर्म में, but
उसके बाद we'll see.
वही the cash that we are making right now, it funds all of the the things that we are doing अभी, and it's not us. Like अगर हम बस एक ही चीज़ में अटके रहें तो there'll be a lot more things भाई. हमने जिस तरीके की चीज़ें प्लान करी है the daydreaming I showed him. मैं है ना.
Every time we meet, we get a new business idea, right? And we take a Instagram page or probably a domain for it.
हाँ. अब की बार कितने आए थे? मैं 10 लेके आया था एक बार में.
So always new ideas coming around. So that's it, guys.
Bye bye.
Bye.